Morning. It is February 1st, 2024, 8:30 a.m. And I thought, seeing how I have this funny feel deep down in, and I have been up since 5 o'clock this morning, and well, it is chilly enough to where my breath can be seen. This is off to the east right here. Of course, I have to take notice of the skies whenever we have these so-called wispy clouds coming about. And I might be doing a little bit more recording as I will be traveling a little bit today, here in just a few hours. And I might be doing a little recording thereafter as well, just because once again those intuitions are hitting me hard. Now, as far as a weather update, and I am recording this before I feed the cats, which they are waiting on me. There was just a weather update on TV from one of our local stations, and an interesting side note was mentioned in regards to the ball of light and the factor of the time of sunsets over the next few days, in which, as we go from the east and over to this direction here, this should be the approximate location of the next few so-called sunsets, which are to be exactly 1 minute in duration of time of a difference on a day-to-day basis. So, for example, I cannot remember the times that they were stating, but if the sun were to set tonight at 5:57 p.m., tomorrow night it would be 5:58, the following night 5:59, and so forth. Now, for how many days this is supposed to occur, I am not sure. But I just found it to be very interesting that this was to take place minute by minute on a daily sunset basis. What are your thoughts on that one? So anyways, I have my responsibilities to tend to. I'm out here in a pair of shorts and a short sleeve shirt, and I am shivering. So I need to get around, get these cats taken care of, so I can be ready for my little journey. Oh, and one last observation, through the tree branches here, we have the remnants of the moon. Can you see that? And I don't know if I can. Oh, there we go. A little bit lower. Can we do this? Yeah. Come right on down with me as I squat lower and lower. And there it is. And let's go ahead and darken this up just a little bit. Better visibility there. So there is the moon, and we're going to stay zoomed in with this lighting turned down, just so we can take a quick look. Alright, so with all that being said and stated, and so on and so forth, have yourselves a great one, and we'll see you on the flip side, possibly, as I stated, in a few more hours. Till then, enjoy your day. Alright, it is currently 8:55 a.m. and I am on the north side of the building where our parking lot is, and I just thought to add on a little bit more. You can see by the cars that, yeah, we had a little bit of frost throughout the night, but I wanted to show this nice long streamer right here, and I will take a bit of a walk and then continue from there. Okay, before he disappears from view, am I getting him? Okay. And I'm zoomed in all the way. I caught him just a little too late. But that's alright, still got him. And there's our ball of sun currently, and I just want to show you that. Hoo-wee. Where are we at? Yeah. Yep, okay, I'm gonna have to continue to walk a little bit more. And yeah, we have frost on the ground and quite sparkly in the light. But anyways, what I was wanting to show is just how long this streamer actually is. But of course, right now it is basically sticking to the treetops, if you will, to where it's making it very difficult to really see how long this streamer is. But anyways, what I had noticed was that at one point here, as you look through the branches once again, you can see a streamer there underneath this much larger streamer, and here along that pole, right about smack dab center, is where they are tying in together. Two separate trails, and with yet another one over the top. Very difficult to see. And then we go over here, and I am going to darken the lighting just so you can see what we have. We're on the ball of light. Here, let me zoom in, and we will repeat the process once again. Previous weather forecast had called for 50-degree weather, Fahrenheit, mind you, 50-degree Fahrenheit weather for this week. That has been dropped down to the highs of the mid-40s. And we can see, if you understand what is going on, that is why there is always that presence of so-called cloudiness around the ball of light, is to control the amount of heat that is being emitted from that source. Alright, so, and okay, let's get kind of zoom in again over here. It's so difficult to see between these branches, but those streamers are in fact spreading. So that I just wanted to take notice of that. And there is more. I mean, the amount of quickness that this tends to unfold is just amazing, if you will. those are my morning observations thus far. I need to get myself in gear and get around before I head off for my short travels. And like I said, there might be some recording being done, but I'm going to go ahead and start getting this uploaded so that you can all join in with the journey that I'm sure will take place today. Alright, once again, have a great one. We'll be back. We'll see you on the flip side.